Hey guys, I have missed you so much. I'm so excited to be here, and I'm so excited to be, filming this Boxycharm unboxing. You guys know I love Boxycharm. I think it's one of the greatest subscriptions out there if you're trying to build up your makeup collection, if you just want to, try new things and like be surprised every month, and like it's kind of like giving a gift to yourself. So if you have been here for a while, you know that I always did Boxycharm unboxing, so I'm so excited to be here doing this for you again. I asked on my Instagram what kind of look you guys wanted to see with this palette that came in a box this month, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's right down here. You should follow me. So 99% of you said dramatic, bold, smoky, pink, Valentine's Day, dramatic, glam, glam, glam. So here I am. All the glam. It's been a while since I filmed a video, so I'm sorry if I'm a little rusty. I have filmed this intro like 10 times already, but I'm just really excited to be here, so I'm not going to ramble anymore. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and now if you want to see what we got in this January Boxycharm, then just keep watching. The theme this month is Boxycharm Breaking the Ice, and we got 5 products. So I'm going to read the little card that comes in the box and give you a little information about the products. I'm going to insert demos of me using those products and also give you a little bit of a quick review. First up, we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and this retails for $22. I have used this mask before. I actually went through a whole entire container of that mask a while ago, and I don't dislike it at all. I think it's a good product. I don't see like a huge difference, to be very honest with you, but I have to say I do enjoy the smell. It's not very like overpowering. And my favorite part about that is that it absorbs very quickly onto your skin. So for the sake of this video, I used before I did my makeup because I'm not going anywhere. But that is a night sleeping mask. There's no SPF, there's no nothing. It's supposed to like restore your skin throughout the night and keep everything, all that moisture in there. It absorbs very fast. So if you are the kind of person that doesn't like to go to sleep all sticky after your skincare, that is the mask for you. It really absorbs fast. You can't even tell you have nothing on your face. And the next day you're supposed to just rinse off and whatnot, and you do feel your skin very soft. At least for me, I felt it. My skin was soft. Other than that, it wasn't like a miracle product. But I have to say, I enjoyed it, and I used the whole entire container once I had it before. Next, we have the Ace Beauty Eyeshadow Palette, and this retails for $34.99. Now, I have tried Ace Beauty before, maybe a few times, and the latest palette I've tried was a very pretty, there was more shadows in that palette, and it was great. I have to say, the quality of their shadows are amazing. They're very pigmented, they're easy to blend. They're very consistent. The formula is very consistent. And they're little, but I don't know, I feel like they just give you a lot of options. The size of the palettes are little, but I don't know, they just very well done. I think you can get like many looks with their palettes. This specific right here, it's more of a, I don't know if you can do like a very soft look with that. I'm sure you could. But the colors are very vibrant. But if you're afraid of color, don't be too intimidated, because if you blend like 1 or 2 colors, or just use one color for your crease and just kind of dab on one of those, the shimmer shades on your lid, you can get a softer look. So don't think that you have to do something bold with that. You can definitely get different looks. But the colors in this palette are very vibrant, and as you can see, they are very pigmented. So I'm gonna walk you through a little bit of this eye look right here. First, I went in with the shade Bahamas, and I really packed that on my outer corner mainly with a very dense brush. And then I took a fluffy brush and I took the shade Pink Moon, and very slowly and lightly I blend the edges, you know, on my crease with that shadow. After that, I packed the shade Sangria to deepen up my outer corner even further, and then I cut the crease. After I cut the crease, I continued to pack on that shade Sangria just to blend and make everything seamless. And then I took the shade Maui and I put that all over my lid. I also took a very thin shading brush or detail brush, and I took the shade Bahamas, and I went on my crease very lightly and kind of I was packing and then doing like sweep motion just to deepen up my crease. And then for my lower lash line, I took the same brush and I packed on Sangria mainly on my outer corner, or the outer half. And then I took the shade Pink Moon again on the fluffy brush and just kind of blend it all out. Next we have the Grande Cosmetics Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara, and that retails for $25. Now I didn't feel like it was fair for me to show you a mascara on this because my wing is so thick and dramatic you couldn't even tell. Like, I don't have the best lashes, but I have to say on my lower lashes it worked very well. And you might think like, well, that doesn't really count. It counts because my lower lashes are teeny tiny and they look really good right now. They look fluffy, and you can see them because if I don't apply mascara you can't even tell I have lower lashes. So it worked really well. Obviously I'm going to use it on my upper lashes and try to just build up to see how that goes. But first impressions, it worked really well on my lower lashes, and I think the brush, in my opinion, looks a lot like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Even if you have teeny lashes like mine, I didn't make a mess applying it. You just have to go, you know, tilt the brush and just go easy with it. The formula is really, there's a lot of slip to it, which I like, because as you go along and you use that mascara more and more, I feel like that kind of formula just gets better and better as you use. Next up we have the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo, and that retails for $36. So this product is something that I have tried before. I have two different shades. I didn't try this specific shade, so this was my first time trying this shade, but I've tried the other shade and I really liked it. It's more of a coral blush with the other one that I tried, but I liked it very, very much. This one right here worked really nicely. The bronzer, it's not hard to blend. It's very pigmented, so go easy and build it up if you are like, you know, afraid of putting too much. But if you do put too much, it blends out really easily. So don't be afraid. It's a beautiful product. It's not shimmery, even though you can see the little bit of, it's on a matte bronzer, but it's not shimmery. So it gives you a nice glow. I have it all over my face. And then I used the blush, and I loved the blush. Very beautiful. I think it complemented this look so perfectly. I love the blush. So great product. Really, really good product. And lastly, we have the Too Faced Cosmetics Diamond Light Highlighter, which retails for $36. So this highlighter was interesting. I mean, first of all, the packaging is beautiful. It looks like a gold bar or like a present or something, but very beautiful. I wasn't expecting to be, I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's kind of like pinkish. It's not gold, even though it looks gold on the pan. It has like a shift. It's beautiful on the skin, beautiful. As you swirl your brush, it kind of goes everywhere, so it's a little bit messy, but I don't mind that. I'm used to just getting highlighter everywhere. But very beautiful. I have it all over. Like, I have it on my forehead, I have it on my nose, cheekbones. I really, really like how it looks, and it doesn't look chunky, but this is kind of one of those highlighters that are more, they are noticeable. They're not, I don't want to say glittery, like it's not glittery, but you definitely see that shimmer. So you can tell, like when I tilt my head, I can see, looking in the mirror, I can see the highlighter. It's not so much of a glow, it's a highlighter. Does that make sense? So the total value of the box this month is of $153.99, and you pay $25. So the value of the boxes never change. They're always well over $125 every single time. There are always 5 to 6 full-size products, never samples, and it's a mix between brushes or tools or skincare and makeup, always makeup. They also have new perks, which I'm gonna list every single thing in my description box, so make sure you open that up and read it through it. But just to be very briefly, I want to read here. They have, now you can select one item in your box every month, which I think it's really cool, and you couldn't do that before, so this is something new that they have. They also have a new customized system to match shades in, you know, tones and whatnot better with your skin tone, so you can customize and update your preferences as well when you sign up. And then they also have more options if you would like to add on the boxes. You can get it for discount and everything. So all of that information, I'm going to put it down in my description box. As I always like to mention, if you decide to sign up through my link, it's an affiliate link, and I'll be making a $5 commission for each person that signs up through that link. I always like to be very transparent with everyone. There's no secrets here. They are not paying me to do this video, but I just truly enjoy this service. I think it's a great service. Like I said before, if you're trying to build up your collection, or if you want to gift it to someone, you know, a friend or a family member or whatnot, I think it's a great gift, honestly, if that person likes makeup and it's trying to build up a collection, or if you're just, you know, you want to be surprised, you want to try something new, because we all get into this rut, you know, and we just use the same thing over and over again. So I feel like this way, we're all like forced to try something new. So it's a great service, and that's why I'm here. They are not paying me to do this. So if you decide to use my link, I really, really appreciate that. And as always, if you liked this video, if you found it helpful, and if you learned something new, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends, subscribe. It all helps. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you. Thanks for spending a little bit of your time here with me today, and I'll see you next time.